You know, one of the hardest things to do in Australia is to get a Kimberley camper's camper trailer. This one's a Kakadu. It's a beauty. Have a look at it because you've got terrific canvas work. The kitchen area is just terrific. You've got the cooker, you've got the storage bins, you've got the big storage box. You've got the stone guard, you've got the off-road hitch, and this is a Kimberley. So they're designed to go anywhere that your four-wheel drive to go, these are designed to go. It is for off-road. When you come inside, it's terrific. You've got this fabulous floor area. Now the floor area is held up by the metal frame, and that metal frame is also for your roof rack. So when this is folded up, you can use that for additional storage. Clever, eh? Now when you come in here, talking of additional storage, you've got this great big storage bin in here, which is wonderful. And then you've got your bed. Now the bed's nice and comfy. You've got reading lamps, you've got so much space, so much light, it breathes really well. If you're looking for a great camper, the Kimberley Camper Kakadu, just give it a click right now.